In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Adobe Acrobat 2025. Whether you're working on a lengthy report, reviewing a digital textbook, or just trying to keep your notes neat and organized, highlighting important sections can make your reading experience more efficient and effective. So let's dive into this simple yet essential skill. First things first, you need to open the PDF file you want to work on using Adobe Acrobat. Ensure that you have the latest version installed to avoid any compatibility issues. Find the file you want to highlight, double click it, and it should open right up in Acrobat. If it doesn't, try right clicking on the file, choose Open With, and select Adobe Acrobat from the list of programs. Once your file is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the document's layout. This will help you identify the sections you need to focus on later. Next, direct your attention to the toolbar located at the top of the screen. Here you'll find a variety of tools available to you, but for this task we're specifically interested in the highlight tool icon. This icon looks like a highlighter pen, so it should be easy to spot. Give it a click and it will activate the highlighting function. Don't worry if you can't find it right away. Sometimes the toolbar might be customized differently, so you might need to click on an additional More Tools option to locate it. Now that you have the highlight tool ready to go, it's time to mark the important bits. Simply move your cursor over to the text you'd like to emphasize. Click at the beginning of the passage or sentence you want to highlight, hold down the mouse button and drag it over the text, just as if you were using an actual highlighter on a piece of paper. As you drag, you'll see the text highlighted in your chosen color, typically yellow by default, though you can usually change this in your settings if you prefer something else. Release the mouse button once you've covered all the text you intended to highlight. Take this opportunity to scroll through the rest of your document and highlight any additional sections as needed. Remember, you can directly jump to different pages if you're working with a large document, using the sidebar for a quick navigation. This way you can keep all your highlights uniformly done in one sitting without missing any crucial information. Once you've finished highlighting, take a quick look at your document to ensure everything is correctly marked and nothing is left out. If you change your mind about a highlight, you can easily remove it by selecting the highlighted text and looking for an option to clear highlight or using the undo function. And there you have it, a well highlighted PDF ready for easy review. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide helps you in your future document work with Adobe Acrobat 2025.